Holy cow.
I'm scared.
I've never seen. There's no way.
I hope it's no. We had to pull over, Ryan. Record this again for you.
Holy cow.
Close your eyes and pray. That's all we can do.
That's not gonna come down, is it, up there?
No.
If it did, it ain't gonna hit you, is it?
No.
Huh?
Our car is shaking.
Look at the sun. Dude, this is gonna be some serious accidents. The truck's not gonna go nowhere.
We had to pull off the road. This is some serious weather right here.
Our car is shaking.
God, please help us. Oh my goodness.
Mommy.
Oh, there's a motorcycle. Oh, that poor guy.
What is that guy doing?
Better get over here too. Oh, look at the cars. There's water on the road. You could see him coming up from behind him.
What is that guy on the motorcycle thinking? He's a pull over.
Alright, we'll
Somebody
stop
pulled
this.
over up there.